DuraGuard presents the Kitty Hawk 45 LEDicated luminaires. The resulting product of designing an LED dedicated luminaire solely for LED light sources. The housing has integrated heat management and is engineered for IP66 sealing of LEDs. All facets of the design development process for DuraGuard LEDicated fixtures are devoted to creating an environment for optimal LED performance. The housing is die-cast aluminum, 100% copper-free A360 LM6 alloy from ingot, with no recycled content. The slimline housing also serves as the LED heatsink and creates a sealed environment. The array design optimizes LED output with parallel circuits and 525 milliamp drive current. Optics are robotically applied and sonically welded for precise light output. We use a high-quality aluminum board uniquely designed to provide optimal heat dissipation. Conformal coating is applied for moisture protection. The easy-access separate driver compartment has a finned heatsink door. Drivers are IP67 rated, variable voltage. Drivers are 10% THD with 1 to 10 volt dimming standard. Gaskets are robotically applied to the housing to create a consistent seal. A high-quality tempered glass lens provides sealing with maximum light output. A die-cast door frame provides an accurate fit with screws mounting from the top for a clean, architectural finish. Fixtures are wired per ANSI UL standards. The arm has an access door for easy mounting and wiring and is die-cast aluminum. Thank you for watching. Think durability, think DuraGuard.